Hi, my name is Dexter Hall. I'm the lab manager at Protegis Fire and Safety, and today we're going to show you our quality repair process. We start the repair process by taking the board to our mock-up system for that board. Initial testing is completed to help us identify why the board is failing. After testing is completed, the board goes to a repair station and we replace faulty components with like for like. This means we do not disrupt the integrity of the board and it remains to manufacturer's specs. Once the repairs are completed, we put the board back into the mock-up system, test it, and let it run to make sure there are no ground faults, it doesn't overheat, communication is established, and it does not have any other issues. Now that the board has been repaired, we label it with our warranty sticker. All repaired boards come with a 1-year warranty. To complete the process, we carefully package the board and send it back to the customer. Thank you for watching our repair process. If you want more information on our repairs, please contact us.